Why hello, you people from Earth and outer space. It is I, Alexander from the universe. In this episode of Let's Java, we're gonna cover what you can expect from this series, as well as go over some recommendations whenever learning a new programming language depending on your current set of skills. The intent of this whole series is for the viewer to learn the Java programming language as thorough as possible. Now, whenever learning a new programming language, you can get into the state where your mind tells you to hurry up as much as you possibly can. Now, whilst it's perfectly valid to watch 20 episodes a day and try and remember everything, well, that's totally fine if you remember everything. But how fun is it if you don't remember any of the things you've actually learned? I remember when I learned Java many years ago, I went for one new concept a day because I was really dedicated to learning Java. But after having a thing where I actually went for like 20 new concepts a day, I kind of realized that I can't learn Java if I'm gonna cover 20 new concepts a day because I'm not gonna remember anything. So I started doing one concept a day, attempting to build something with every new concept I learned, and then thus yielding up knowing Java after, I don't know, about like 50, 60 days. I started getting somewhat proficient using the language. And the same goes for you. Now, you can, by all means, be a rebel. Now, you can be a rebel. By all means, be a rebel. Being a rebel is always fun. If you think you have what it takes to go through 20 episodes a day and still understand the language, go for it. Totally, seriously. Do it, man. I believe in you. But from my personal experience, I would not recommend for anyone to do 20 episodes a day, because if you want to know something thoroughly, you need to contemplate every concept there is in a new language. Now, if you're one of those people who know like 10 other languages that are similar to Java, then you're not really going to have any trouble going through a few more episodes extra a day, depending on the level of proficiency you're looking to get from Java. Because if you already know a C-like language, then learning Java's gonna be real easy. I wouldn't even understand why you're watching this video, because if you already know a C-like language, you can probably just read up on some of the basic syntax, and all of a sudden you'll know Java in no time. But if you're a noob, like I once was, do it carefully. Seriously, man, you gotta do it carefully. Or if you're a rebel, you rush through it, by all means. I would be extremely impressed if you actually managed to pull it off and learn the language within a few days, because I would never be able to do that myself. Something that really helps when learning something is writing it down, but that's of course different for different people. Everybody has their own unique way of learning things, and it's the uniqueness that makes this world a nice place. Everybody's different. No? No. Totally, everybody should be the same. The world would be a much nicer place if everybody were exactly the same. Because that's the way it works. Biology. Making the same people since 1985, 1920. I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, go learn Java. It's a nice language. Everybody who likes Java. And everybody who hates Java hates Java. Totally makes sense. Why goodbye, you people from Earth and outer space. Feel free to leave a comment stating something either hilarious or perhaps even a like. Until next time.